Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Here we go. I met an old man with a gray beard. He told me 4 words: you can't stay here. Just turn back while you still can. This ain't the same type of place for a young man. I said thank you, old timer, but I'm in need of a fix, a reminder of what I once had, of what I want back. Now if you'll be so kind, let me get past. He said, damn kid, you never learn. If you go down that path, you'll never return. I said respect and reprise to your wise song, but who the fuck are you to tell me where I belong? Now I'm on my way. You can't make me stay addicted to the taste. Addicted, 'cause now I'm on my way. So I kept going, yeah, I moved on, but I got lost in the fog, and now my fucking money was gone. My navigation was wrong. Got trapped in the trenches while they dropping the bombs. Kept going, moved on. They yelling stop, fuck them all. I do my own thing, do yours. Oh, you got locked out? I open doors, got a bottle of Patron and a 30 of cores. I drink it all so fast it starts to seep through my pores. I let them watch me. Who gives a damn? I don't know them, but they know who I am. They try to drag me down, it don't faze me. Still I stand with this pen in my hand. I don't stray from the basics, I stick to the plan. So when they laughing and they pointing, I feel so important. I can do what they can, I really enjoy it. So who the fuck are you to tell me who I am?
Show me love. You've got your hand on the button now. Showing off. You've got your hand on the button.
So now I'm on my way. You can't make me stay addicted to the taste. Addicted, 'cause now I'm on my way. So focused on big things, will I make it? That depends. Getting shit tight, tying loose ends. I packed a hammer just to shatter the critical lens, batter the typical trends, better than typical friends, homies and family with all supportive intent. I got a top-notch moms and a top-notch pops, top-notch bros and a top-notch squad. I hope they always stay loyal and they always show props when props are due. Always do your thing and I'll do mine too. If anyone hates, if anyone chooses you, look him in his eye, that's what real men do. Stick your chest out, chin up hella high, ask him who are you? Do you know where I'm from? Do you know where I've been? Take a walk in my shoes, then try to chime in, bitch.